Hello and good morning. Today we're going to flow through a gentle morning yoga and stretch routine you can do right in your bed. This routine will help calm your mind, awaken your body, and kickstart your day with positive energy. No talking, just peace in your body. Seated yoga pose and stretching. Sit comfortably in a cross-legged position on your bed, keeping your spine straight. Slowly raise your arms overhead, interlocking your fingers and stretching upwards. Push your palms towards the ceiling, taking deep breaths in and out. Single leg straight stretch. Now, extend one leg straight out in front of you. Raise your arms overhead again and gently fold forward, reaching towards the toes of your extended leg. Keep your back straight and feel the stretch in your hamstring. Side bend with leg extended. Keep one leg extended forward and bend the other leg. Raise one arm overhead and gently lean towards your extended leg, feeling the stretch along your side. Breathe deeply. Cat-cow pose. Come onto your hands and knees like you're a cat or a cow. As you inhale, arch your back, dropping your belly and lifting your head, cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine upwards and tuck your chin to your chest, cat pose. This is great for your spine. Downward facing dog. Slowly lift your hips towards the ceiling, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Let your head hang loose and pedal your feet, bending one knee at a time to stretch your calves.